Hello and welcome back to Padlocks Cozy Creations. Today we're taking you on a journey from our very own apple tree right to your table with a recipe that is close to our hearts, apple crumble. But this is the Padlock special recipe with my signature crumble.
So if you're loving our vibe, follow us on all our socials.
On to the video. First things first, these are all of the ingredients that you'll need.
So we are lucky enough to have an apple tree in our garden, and some of these apples were ready to be picked. So what better way than to pick them to make a beautiful apple crumble. As with all fruit, please make sure that you thoroughly wash.
So once you've washed your apples, you want to peel and chop them and place them in a pot. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust this to your own taste. Then we're going to add some squash or juice. Typically with an apple crumble you would add apple juice or exotic juice, but we just went with what we had in the cupboard. Alright, as promised, it's my crumble recipe. So this is the foolproof recipe that is in the green box that I follow. However, if you prefer a little bit more crumble like me, just double it. However, in baking, not everything goes as planned, so I've noticed, I think because I used a different butter this time, it made it more oily / wet, so I had to add a bit more flour, but this is the consistency you're going for.
Once the apples are slightly cooled, as you know, we do love a little bit of flavour, so we add brandy, rum to our apples. Once the apples are cooked, please transfer into your oven-proof dish, and then we are going to add our homemade crumble.
This is totally optional, but we like to sprinkle some sugar on top of the crumble. And there you have it, Padlock's special apple crumble, fresh from our tree to your oven, served with vanilla ice cream or custard. We hope you enjoyed baking along with us today. If you try this recipe at home, be sure to let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you loved it, subscribe for more cozy recipes. Thanks for watching.